Hey folks, we're on another one. Starting with a solo night trip up Coxey Trail. Crazy. This is a quick little shakedown run for my bus. On this trip, test and tune. Plus, I'm going to be scouting out a campsite I spotted on Google Earth for a future episode. But first, tonight we're headed to the back 40 at Yellow Post Campsite 7 for the night. Let's go! Hey folks, we're stuck again. Trying to fire it up. Just woke up this morning and there's been problems. It fires and then like it has no gas. So I pulled off the line going to the carburetor and just leaked fuel everywhere. So I don't think it's the fuel pump. So before I change this out, I'm going to pop off the line up here, pull out the carburetor, take off the top, and see if there's any fuel in the bowl. I popped off the distributor cap, taking off the air cleaner, removing the fuel hose, electrical to the carburetor is undone, and the vacuum line. Remove the carburetor. I'm taking the top off the carburetor. Bumper makes a damn good holder. Bowl is dry as a bone, folks. Testing the needle and seat. All good. Looking for gas in the float. Looks good. Found the problem. The fuel tip rod has a worn tip. It's the one out of the old engine. $0.99 store silicone. Looks good on the fuel pump. Tested. It pumps. Assembled. Install the new fuel pump. Hook up the fuel hose. Hitting it with a little cleaner. Cleaning and assembling the carburetor. Install the carburetor. The upper hose is on. Electrical wire attached. Distributor cap is capped. Air cleaner on. Double check the fuel line. Accelerator cable fastened. Vacuum line connected. All smiles. Thank God for these little lessons in life. Check out the views, folks. Alright, we got it to fire up. All I have to do now is clean the mess. Woohoo! Welcome to Vintage Overland Adventures. They're here. Alright folks, it's running again. The fuel pump rod tip is wearing down. I happen to have another rod and another fuel pump, but all four pieces are different. The two rods are different. It was like a 1/4 inch longer. I don't know if it's a 120 millimeter, and I got the wrong one from the place I ordered it from. The fuel pumps. The little lever on the bottom of the fuel pump with the rod hits to pump the fuel. On the new one, it hangs down really low. On the other one, it's flush. So I don't know if the other one's wore out. So I just put in the old rod and the new fuel pump. So that's something I have to address when I get home. Yeah, big old rock pile. I'm scouting a future campsite. The smell of campfire in the air is awesome. It's like they planted some stuff here, put some posts in, keep some folks out. Summer and still lots of flowers. A lot of trenches from the winter storms. As they opened it up, most of them are flattened out. Look at this place. This will be the spot for the morning coffee and breakfast in between San Bernardino and Big Bear City. We're out in the middle of the wilderness, folks. Elevation 6503. Inside bus temp 72. I don't know if it's been in the sun yet. 65. Go here, one in the shade. 61. Careful of those snakes, man. They're everywhere. It's a good year for them. Pole is 90. We're in the low 70s here. 6,500 foot elevation. Bus is running a little fat. Okay, it's coffee time. Put my finger over the hole. Do it that way. Rusty, it's been a month. Nice. So happy. Pete Emerson. Thanks, brother. That was a great campsite. Camp BOA, folks. I'm guessing late fall or early winter would be the best. But you always have to remember, wintertime, this spot could get a little hard to get out of here if it snows. It has a steep climb out of this valley. was crazy. Those bikes scared the hell out of me. Hey folks, we managed to make it home on that one. That was fun, that was crazy. Anyways, I got a handful of things to do now. I know where I stand. It went pretty good. We'll wait a week or so and we'll get out there and do another one. Thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell.